just do like simple two-way binding. So contact list on the creation complete dispatch, event map will be called and injections will be done, and contact manager sends you the updates of contacts from the contact manager to the contact list. This is how the thing happen. So event map takes care about binding the contact manager dot contacts to the contact list, and also binding is there. That means whenever the contact manager dot contacts is getting updated, it's automatically binded with the view. So the main part of Mate is it's taking use of the base event handling of Flex. It's not having its own Flex handling, event handling and messaging. It's taking the same Flex event handling as a base core of it. So it's simple and easy, and we are dispatching these two events from this place. One is contact event.save and contact events.delete in the contact form. This is the contact form, and here we have these two buttons and dispatching these two events. We have a contact binded with every contact form. We just load those things to the related text and we show it. We have the save result function here, which will show when save is confirmed. When user is pressing the save, it has to be updated in service, and when we get the result back from the service of result handler, then this has to be displayed. And we have two things to be dispatched. One is save and one is delete. So contact is binded from the view. Here, as I already told, the contact manager is binded via injection to the view. So we have the save button and delete button here, which is calling these things. So here we have that same save result which we have in the view. That should be public method. Only then this can access it, and the callback is just written as save result. That's it. So it's simple and fully encapsulated. It's nowhere binded with anything. We usually should have in Cancom we have a delegate which gets the result and it's passed back to the view. It's not the case. We have the callback and it's kind of injected from the result handler. It's not actually injected, it's just calling the callback which was stored there. And event in an announcer will announce search event when the contact is saved. I already have told you there is an unwanted call to the DB, this search event, which is to update the contact list. This is an unwanted call because we already have the list of contacts available. After saving it, we are calling it back to make sure the list is updated along with the DB. Synchronized, to make it synchronized. So that's it. This is how the things work. We have version 3 contact form. I am jumping up. I will show you the exact places of where we use the contact manager to do that avoiding of this part. This have to be avoided, and I will show you that in example. So here in presentation model we are separating the things like we should have the input, we should have maintain the state, we should have events, dispatch events, receive the data, validate the user input, everything are currently managed with the view itself. But it should not be the case, and view should be encapsulated and should not be binded with anything at all. So this is the only role which view should play its user input and visualization, nothing else. Even the validity of the user input should be managed by some presentation model. That's what we are going to inject. It's that which will get the data from the service of any foreign object, and it will just get the binder with the event bus, and the injection is happening to the model, not to the view. So the same contact form, but we removed everything in the script. There is only one word model. We just use that presentation model, and we bind the model.contact, model.save, model.remove. Everything is been shifted to another place. You can see here we have the list of same methods which was previously in the view. It does not mean that we are just shifting the function from here and pasting it somewhere else to make it separate. It's not that. We are not updating anything that will affect the view, and we are not even dispatching any event. We are not connected to anything. It makes the view simpler, and it's how it should be, and processing will be greater by introducing the presentation model. And we are dispatching the same events. So we have the contact always associated with the presentation model. So we have included it in our constructor. We are dispatching these events, and we have removed the callback function, and we are just updating it whenever contact is saved here itself. We have the contact manager, which is where we are going to bind the presentation model. So here you see the contact manager was previously binded with view. That's